Alright, here we go. Lesson 1 of Module 2. Metric unit conversions. So a little fluency practice here. 10 centimeters is 1 meter. So 200 centimeters is 2 meters. 300 is 3. 800 is 8. 500 is 5. Go ahead and write these down. Also, please make sure that you're putting the date and so forth on these each day in your notebook. All right. The next one here. 1 meter, and this goes backwards now. It's times 100. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 2, 200, 3, yep, 7, yes, 4, yep, that is correct, 9, alright, so now we break this apart using a meter and centimeter number bond. So if we have 150 centimeters, we have 1 meter and 50 centimeters left over. Alright, let's try these. We have 180 centimeters, so that equals 1 meter and 80 centimeters. The next one would be 120. It's going to be 1 meter and 20 centimeters. Please make sure you write each of these down, please. Alright, then we have 125. So that's 1 meter, 25 centimeters. We have 105. Okay, so that's going to be 1 meter and 5 centimeters. $107 centimeters. Alright, so if we have 2 meters, 1 meter, $100 centimeters. Okay, that would be 100 centimeters. One meter plus 100 centimeters equals 2 meters. Two meters. Okay, that would be 300 centimeters or 3 meters. This would be 600 centimeters or 6 meters. Alright, here's the application problem. Martha, George, and Elizabeth sprinted a combined distance of 10,000 meters. Martha sprinted 3,206 meters. George sprinted 2,094 meters. How far did Elizabeth sprint? Solve using a simplifying strategy or an algorithm. Okay, so Martha, George, and Elizabeth sprinted a combined distance of 10,000. Okay, so we have Martha is 3,206 meters. George, 2,094. And then Elizabeth is some question mark, and the total is 10,000. Alright, so we take 3,206 plus 2,094. 6 and 4 is 10. 9 and 1 is 10. 2 and 1 is 3. 5. And then we take 10,000 minus 5,300. 4,700. So Elizabeth sprinted 4,700 meters. Alright, so let's take a look at this, the concept development. What's about a centimeter? So here's some things that are about a centimeter. The width of a paperclip, the width of a zipper, the length of a thorn on a rose bush, the width of a staple, width of your fingernail, the width or height of a pencil, the height of 5 pennies, the width of a straw. These are all things that are about a centimeter. So a centimeter is fairly small. You can see it on a ruler too, like the ones we've used in the past. And then when we're talking about a meter is 100 centimeters. So it's about the length of a ball bat, a meter stick, a bus seat, height of a table, width of a door, an adult leg from the ankle to the hip. Those are things that are about a meter. And then a kilometer, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So from Little Caesars to Golden Corral, about 6 blocks. From Toys R Us to Chuck E. Cheese. Alright, so here's something I want you to write down in your notebook also, and label it metric units of length. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Write that down, please. Alright, compare the sizes and note relationships between meters and kilometers as conversion equivalencies. So 1 kilometer, and I just want you to write this like 1 km equals 1,000 m. So 2 km equals 2,000. 3,000. 7,000. So just write this in your notebook. You don't have to draw the chart unless you want to. But just write 7 kilometers equals 7,000 meters. 70 kilometers equals 70,000 meters. So 8 meters equals, or 8,000 meters, sorry, equals 8 kilometers. 10,000 equals 10 kilometers. 9,000 equals 9 kilometers. Kilometers are 10 times bigger. Or a meter is 10 times smaller. Or 1,000. Sorry. 1,000 times bigger. Right. Let's take a look at these. 1 kilometer and 500 meters. We're just going to combine this. That's 1,500. 1,300. Now here's where it gets a little tricky because you have to put in the 0 in the hundreds place. So we have 5,030. 2,000. Or I'm sorry. That's 25. 2,500. So that is going to be 2 kilometers and 500 meters. This is going to be 5 kilometers and 5 meters. Alright, so now we have 5 kilometers plus 2,500 meters. So this equals, we have to change this to kilometers. So we have, or I mean to meters. So we have 5,000 meters plus 2,500 meters. So that equals 7,500 meters. 1 kilometer and 734 meters equals 1,734 plus 4,396. So we're just combining. You have to change the kilometer into meter or meter into kilometer. You have to, when you add, you have to have the same units. So you have to just change it into meters to add meters to it. 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 9 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 4 plus 1 is 6. So this is 6,130 meters. Alright, and then we do the same thing when we subtract. So 10 kilometers equals 10,000 meters, and we're going to subtract 3,140 meters. So we have 0. Here we have to borrow. So we borrow here. 9, 9. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6,860 meters. Alright, and then here is an application problem using mixed units. So Sam practiced his long jump in PE. On his first attempt, he jumped 1 meter and 47 centimeters. On his second attempt, he jumped 98 centimeters. How much farther did Sam jump on his first attempt than his second? Okay, so 1 meter, 47 centimeters, plus 98 centimeters. So this is 147 minus 98. This should be minus, because we're looking for the difference. 17 minus 8 is 9, 13 minus 9 is 5. So 59 centimeters farther. Alright, we will do the problem set in another video. So go ahead and start looking at that, and if you need help, go ahead and push play on the next video. Thank you.